let's now talk about the people culture in Germany, laying down the backdrop of history and the industry there. Let's talk about the meeting etiquette. How do people meet and greet, when two Germans greet? They're extremely formal. There's a firm shake hand. And as you saw in the role play, the IML student did not shake hands with the assistant of the CEO. This is a strict no-no. Generally, hands are shook, even with children, even with ladies or gents alike. It's a very firm handshake, not much body contact as in India. So that's something which one can remember. Next thing is communications and office culture. There's a strong, very individualistic culture in German offices. People tend to stay in their cabins, and the doors are closed. When a person has to enter, it could be even a senior. They generally have this habit of knocking, taking permission, and then entering. It's not very, people don't invade to others' private places. They dislike surprises. They are a resistant bunch of people who are resistant to change, new changes, innovation is a little, new changes, especially with respect to the lifestyle and work culture, is uninvited. They're very punctual, very serious about, small details about how people appear on meetings, what they're wearing, and, whether the people are interested in keeping times or they cause delays. Talking about business meeting etiquette, generally, when meetings start, people are usually told where to sit, and whether at all to sit. So it's very important to take care of that. In a meeting, make sure if you're one of the people not to sit first or to invite others to take a seat first. Some Germans have this habit of knocking knuckles on the table. That's at the end of a meeting. This is just to signal that the meeting is over, we've reached our consensus, and probably we should just exit. One more point which I'd like to raise here is about gifts. Gifts are generally given, which are generally flowers or bouquets, or wine bottle is given as gifts. It's advised not to get into other less formal things. When flowers are given, make sure not to give red roses. Of course, that has some romantic intentions. And chrysanthemums and lilies are generally gifted at funerals, so make sure you don't gift them. And gifts are generally opened when they are gifted, so they are immediately opened. So don't feel bad if you wanted to surprise them and want to open it later. So that's all about people culture. I'll invite Parag.